dog, party shot last night, dog. I know idea.
Yo, you see Fatty me having there?
But man, a
problem
long
whole
time
dog. A real thing, man. Right now, I can't wait for next Thursday, you know, that, cause problem again, same way, you see me?
Yeah, dog.
Same vibes we are bring. I don't know what's anywhere we touch.
A real dog, man. Yo, as our best friend still, I have something to tell you, brother.
You don't have to tell me that, man. We know already, man.
Oh, you could have known, dog. You can't know my youth.
Yo, my youth, I say I know already, dog.
What, go on?
Everybody don't know, say we are grade 8 to learn for read, dog.
Oh,
Hope if you don't know that.
And that go on, you know, guess what, go on?
What, go on?
Sleep with Keisha, dog.
What you just said, dog?
I'm really sorry, dog. Me never want it up, me just happen, dog. You see me, can't even.
Yo, just stop tell me sorry, dog, and tell me what you just say.
I sleep with Keisha, dog.
No, dog. What you said before that?
My best friend?
Best friend, dog. Like, yo, me know say we apart a long time, but me never did consider me as a close friend, dog. Best friend. Yo, this is something major, you know, dog. My best friend, dog. So that means I can come over here and come play a game every day then?
No, dog, I miss the point. Me sleep with Keisha, your girlfriend.
Wait, dog. Let me ask you a question.
Finally.
Like, when you know say it happen? When? When that happen?
Where do you go over your yard because...
No, dog. Me talk. When you know say we are best friend?
Not from grade 3 when you lend me pencil, dog.
Oh shit, grade 3, dog. Remember, that day when I piss up yourself and the whole like girl in my laugh after you, dog, and me comfort you and lend me look a pencil. Yo. Well, that's cool.
So you're not angry so me sleep with Keisha, dog?
No, dog. Me not feel no way. Like, what the point if we are best friend and can't sleep with each other girlfriend? You don't make no sense, my youth. Come on. You couldn't feel a way over that.
You know, so me never really look on the way they do. Me think you're angry, dog. Really. So, we good? Wait. You sleep with my girlfriend?
You know that's the reason why we are best friend, dog. We think of sleep with each other girlfriend. And to Aisha sexy, me think you didn't know that.
She said she love me, whatever that. Do me a favor.